This is the flooding we have, a little bit through the back runs. Leaves to me. And then there's one muddy smucker. Fairly dry baby girl lotus. Ready to go. But considering overall, I think we fared pretty good. Looks like we're going to have to go in and remove some leaves. I don't know if you can see this. There we go. So if anybody's got some rubber boats and wants to play in the water, you're welcome to come out and help me ease some of the flooding here. But this is not as bad as I was thinking it could be. Yeah. I mean, this is minor. Oh, quiet, boys! Not as bad as it could have been. Tighten, you're being a butthead. They're barking like fools because Belle's in heat. The normal little flooding over there. But all in all, oh boy, look at the pile of leaves. You can see it. That's why we have flooding. All those leaves. I got my work cut out for me. But, and I deliberately moved that bridge. But this didn't overflow like it did last time. And of course, Smucker's been playing in his water. But driveway's not flooded out. Yay! I'll get to the pond later on. Alright, folks.